Time for part two. Part two, remember we talked about in part one, the outer layer is what the penguins, they have their feathers and it has the oil on it, which was our jelly, our petroleum jelly. Now, underneath, the next layer is called blubber. What's it called? It's kind of a fun word, isn't it? Blubber. Anyway, and so the blubber helps them keep warm. The oil keeps the water off, but even though it keeps the water off, the water would make them even colder. But it's really, really cold in these areas that the penguins and the seals and the sea lions and those kind of things live. And so they also have to have a second layer of protection. So for this experiment, here's what you're going to need. You're going to need a bowl of water. You can use the same one. Hopefully you washed your hands from the last experiment. You're going to need some duct tape. You are going to need 2 Ziploc baggies, okay? 2 big ones, 2 gallon size. You're gonna need a spoon. And you're going to need some shortening, okay? A pretty good amount. But parents, when you make one of these, everybody is gonna be able to use this, okay? So if you have more than one kiddo, everybody's gonna be able to come up. You don't have to make one for each child. It's where you can use it over and over, okay? So here we go. So you're going to take one of the Ziploc baggies and open it up, okay? The other one, you want to make sure it's sealed, okay? So you're going to seal it up. You're going to slide it inside there and hold it up on the top, okay? Now, here's where your shortening comes in. You're going to take the shortening, and you know, here's how I kind of did it. If you want to take the shortening and put it into the bag, and I would put 3 really good sized spoonfuls in there. Okay, and you're going to kind of squish it around, okay? Now you want to open it back up. Then you want to take your bag and put it in. Now, I've got it covered on the one side, but as you can see, the other side isn't quite covered yet. So now I'm going to come in on that empty side. You see what I mean? The empty side. And I'm going to take 3 more spoonfuls of the shortening or our blubber, and I'm going to put them on that side. Okay? 1, 2, and 3. Now, remember, the top of this one is still sticking out, okay? Now take it and flatten it. See, parents, this is where I wish that blubber was really a good thing, because I would be winning in that department. So anyway, now, kids, what you're gonna do is this, okay? Oh, I forgot, one last thing. You need a cup of ice, okay? Go Royals. Wasn't it sad last Friday that we didn't get an opening day? Ugh. So anyway, so what you're gonna do is this, okay? You're gonna take that blubber, and let me move my camera down so I can show you. You're gonna squish it around, and what it's doing is you're spreading it around on that outer bag. Okay? Now, here comes where our duct tape comes in handy. Okay, you're gonna take some duct tape. My hands are slippery. And you're going to take a big old piece. And I'm going to take my hand, I'm going to put one hand inside there, okay? Now, I want it to come up and form around my hand, and then I'm going to take my duct tape, okay? And this is where having a friend is going to be really helpful, parents. And I'm going to duct tape it around, okay? So I've got it like that, and I want to squish it so that it's covering all my hands, okay? Now, my other hand is free, right? Now remember, first layer is feathers and oils. Second layer is blubber. So here's where it comes in. You're gonna take your cup of ice. Let me tilt my camera down so you can see what I'm doing, okay? And take my cup of ice. I'm gonna pour it in there, okay? Do you think this is closer to what the penguins feel when they're going there? Now, okay, so you're gonna take your hand with your blubber, and you're gonna take your normal hand, okay? What you're gonna do is you're going to submerge them into the water. Remember, submerge means go in. So you're going to put them in the water, and I want you to make an observation. The observation I want you to make is which is colder, which is making the difference, okay? All right, so here we go. Ready? So we're gonna put them in. Take them out. Put them in again. Take them out. Put them in one more time. Take them out. Did you feel a difference? I wonder why. Could it be that this squishy fat, what does it block? What's it blocking? I want you to send me a message or an email about it. What's it blocking? Did we feel everything with this hand? Did we feel everything with this hand? An extra bonus. If while you're doing this activity, you want to draw me a penguin and label the different layers that we talked about, that would be awesome. I've had so much fun doing these experiments with you guys today. I will have another one coming as well. So I love you. I miss you. Penguins are awesome. You're awesome. Burping is awesome. Hiccups can be stopped by peanut butter or whatever else you decide to send me. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye.